Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants. We're out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this Mori Seiki video. This is a wonderful Mori Seiki model MS1250, serial number 8138, high precision tool room lathe. It's currently running at 32 RPM. We wanted to take a few minutes and show you this lovely machine. This is more of an inspection demo on this model MS1250. The MS1250 has 17 inches and an eighth over the bed, 9 and change over the cross slide, and it's 1250 millimeters between centers, so therefore it's 49 inches of center distance. That being said, we're going to go ahead and run through the paces of the machine, get you some RPMs going, and engage some speeds and feeds. Go ahead, Frank, let's see what you got. Coming down. The machine's equipped with a 7.5 horsepower main drive motor. That's 82 RPM. We're stepping up from 32 to 82. The range goes from 32 to 1800. With what, 1200 or 12 changes? Thank you, Jerry. Nice selection of tooling here. An Aloris tool post with a ton of Aloris tool holders. We'll go ahead and poke around on the owner's manual and the tooling towards the end of the video, show you what it's complete with.
That was 112.
112 RPM. I knew it was. So go 32, 82, 112. On your right hand shoulder, Frank, coming in to show off those bedways. It's complete with a steady rest, an OEM steady rest. The roller bearings has a Dorian wedge style quick change tool post, A16 spindle nose, coolant system with the pump, spigot, and nozzle.
200.
That's 200 RPM. The model MS1250 here at Machinery Consultants in Utah. All right, I'm going to park here for a second, Jerry. Stay in frame there. Trade you.
395.
That's 395 RPM. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, I believe there's a micrometer bed stop. We talked about the coolant fan, the chip pump, wedge style quick change tool post. Hand it off. That's 710 RPM. Thank you, sir. Oh, foot brake works well. Yep. We're really impressed with this particular machine.
1,000.
That's 1,000 Rs. On your left, Frank, doing a walk around. Standard spindle bore for an A16. Spindle taper is 2 and change. What is it, 2 1/8 inch? Clear. Feel free to hit us up on a 1800 RPM. On a quote, we have all the tooling listed out. Okay, let me get out of the light, Jerry. Very nice. So yeah, what a real sharp looking machine. We wanted to take a few minutes and preview the overall functions of this Mori Seiki lathe. Again, it's a model MS1250. It has the original toolbox. How cool is that? With the leveling studs. What is that, the 37 or the 32 tooth gear? Any gear with the
36.
36, thank you, good eye. Okay, Frank's probably engaged in some feeds while I'm over here on the quandary. It's carriage feeding away from the chuck. Cross slide in and out. So the lubrication package on this, really nice. We've taken everything apart, gone through, sanitized everything, checked everything out. Very clean inspection. Cross slide feeding inwards. Minty, minty. You read my mind, huh? Well, that about concludes running this machine for you here at Machinery Consultants. Well done, guys. This is a real nice Mori Seiki model MS1250. Let's go ahead and do our outro here. If you have any questions, we're here at 801-531-9500. Our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. We'd like to thank you for previewing this video on our YouTube channel. Until next time, this is Bill Wilson Jr. at Machinery Consultants, my friend. Bill Wilson Jr. here at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. Rocking the model MS1250 Mori Seiki. What a nice machine. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks again. Peace. Have a great day.